Alright folks, we're going to change the engine air filter for a 2012 Dodge Journey. Here's the new filter, and you have 4 screws, one here, one there, one on the opposite side, and one right here, and this hose right here that you just twist off. It helps to take this little engine cover off. Just pull up. It has this sockets right there that go onto these little pins right here. Right here. Twist this off first. There it is. Yes. These screws, they don't come all the way out, so it makes it easier so you won't lose them. Lift up. There's your old filter. This is your new filter. Drop it in there. Tighten your screws. Reconnect your hose. Put your engine cover back on. And there it is, folks. You just save a ton of money. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.